Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish. Day one, we've just sat through a very interesting presentation by Michael Fries, who is Executive Vice President at VistaPrint for Global Manufacturing. Michael, very nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Excellent presentation this morning.
Thanks a lot.
And it's great to get a better understanding of VistaPrint and where it's going with regards to its online printing. The fascinating thing for me is, bearing in mind I'm production based, getting to understand how you can be receiving so many jobs in so many different formats on so many different materials and getting them through production and out the door in the speed that you do. What's the secrets behind that? Is it 100 software developers all creating code, or how do you link that all together?
We have a lot of software developers. We have a big team in India that does our software development, and they also do our code for the manufacturing system. But it's not only the manufacturing system, it's also about getting the customer data, checking it, making it ready for production, and then organizing the whole production flow. So it's a longer thing, and even the tracking at the end of the customer order as it goes with our carriers, all of that needs to be connected and is integrated into our systems, and our software developers do that.
Right. So is it all bespoke, or do you actually buy in any software systems?
There are pieces that are software we can buy in the market, but a lot of that is bespoke development.
Right. And then AI comes into the mix, and I know you gave quite a good talk about the way that you utilize. So for our visitors, for our viewers, could you just give us a little bit more of an insight as to how you're utilizing the AI data?
Oh, as I said in my talk, it's an end-to-end thing across the whole value chain, from marketing to customer care, within the middle of manufacturing, design, website. There are AI applications everywhere, and certainly the whole world and also ourselves are growing into that and using it more and more across all those stages of the process.
And going forward, how do you see that developing in the future?
I think it will enable us to manage the complexity that online print needs to drive for getting more customers and more diverse products into our systems and be efficient. If you want to coordinate all of that, AI will play a significant role.
Right. And I know you said in your chat that you actually talk in your presentation that you're actually involving partners now. So are you looking to grow that area for new products?
We have a network of partners, and that's constantly growing. We still think that our own manufacturing is a key capability and is a key value delivery to our customers, but there are products and product sets that really make sense to go to a specialist, and where great companies are able to do that, and we are happy to work with them.
Right, okay. So data is very important, of course, and you grow your customer base, you're saying, with regards to customization. So it's really nice to speak to you. Thank you very much for your time. I know you're very busy. There's a big networking going on.
Yeah, it's a huge network. It's a great event, and I love to be here.
It's great talking to you. Thank you for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.